Hello and warm greetings to everyone tuning in. Congratulations on making it this far. You survived Architecture College. No, you conquered Architecture College. Yeah, that sounds better, don't you think? As requested by your classmate Dinoshka, I have quickly thrown together a few of my thoughts and some pearls of wisdom that may aid you in your next phase of life. Before I begin, I would like to say that this past semester has been a great learning experience for me. Being the youngest on the team of mentors, for this design thesis semester meant that I had to prove myself and work doubly hard to create a semblance of a difference in an otherwise mundane educational system. I would like to extend my gratitude and appreciation to all my professors and mentors who have taught me, influenced me, and shaped me into the professional I am today. Without their knowledge and guidance, I would be just another run of the mill visiting faculty member at GCA. As a student, you have been working towards a painfully challenging goal for quite some time now. And as you find yourself nearing the end of your architectural college journey, you might wonder what life after graduation is going to look like. You are going to enter a new playing field, one that is unknown to you. After college, you are going to step into a world that should be familiar but is strangely foreign. In a perfect world, you would ideally have a job lined up to start work right after graduation, but it doesn't always work out that way. Sometimes you find a firm you would like to work at, attend an interview, and get a job offer immediately. Or you may be on your third or fourth interview with no job offer in sight. This happens to everyone at some point in their professional lives. Most of the time, if you did not get a job offer, it would be that you were not a right fit for what the firm was looking for at the time. So, ask for feedback from your professors and colleagues on your job application. In your case, this covers your cover letter, CV, and portfolio. Make use of all the contacts you have. Get access to as many suggestions as possible. Remember that you get one shot at a first impression, and you want to ensure that you are putting your best foot forward. Looking for a job can be stressful, but just keep at it. Eventually, you will find what you are looking for. There will always be hard times at work. Do not give up or quit if things get tough. Factors such as culture, work life balance, and overall professional growth are really important to consider when joining a firm or reassessing a firm you work with. Be prepared to make tough choices. You have to admit that not many study programs offer the design studio experience. Your studio has served as your growing space and communal habitat for 5 years. It has been central to your entire education as a student of architecture. All your ideas about the nature of professional work have been shaped by your studio experiences. The workplace, however, will be something else entirely. You may have had to pull all-nighters while in college, but in the workplace, there will be systems of time management that have to be adhered to. You will also build relationships with your colleagues, just like you have in college, and you will be surprised with how much you will learn from the new people at work. Most importantly, you will have to answer to people in authority and learn to be accountable and responsible for all your actions. You will have designated working hours and breaks. You will be expected to be punctual and never late. You need to be the best version of yourself and never slack off. Learning to be focused and productive within a set amount of time will prove to be a powerful tool for you as you progress in your career. As a professional, you will soon realize that design is only a small part of the entire process. There's a lot more involved than just drawing up floor plans or creating stunning 3D visuals. Designing a building involves pre-design, schematic or conceptual design, design development, construction documents, bidding and negotiations, and construction administration. You will also need to communicate and interact with various design consultants and build a rapport with your clients. In college, you are mostly engaged in pre design and schematic design, while in studio. When you begin professional work, you will have to develop your design skills beyond these two phases. You can then work towards becoming an all rounder, handling all phases of design. So, you think you have seen it all, right from your infancy in first year to foundational learnings of second year to technical achievements in third year to the upper studio spaces of the fourth and fifth years. Think again. You will no doubt look back on the past experiences of these college days as you grow older and hopefully more wiser. You will now be stepping into a full time professional position, which is itself an accomplishment. You are now going to get paid for everything that you churn out at work. It is a great feeling when you sign that offer letter for your first job. You will be working your way up from the bottom of the ladder. If you go into a new job thinking you know everything, you will not get very far. Trust me on that. But do go in humble yet enthusiastic and willing to learn. You are going to be a first year again, but it takes a lifetime to get to the fifth year as a professional. So, what should you do now? Here are some tips to show you the way forward. Be courageous. There is no better time in your life than now to try something new. Travel once you are able to. Learn a new skill. Take up volunteer work. The key is to know that you will only regret the things you never tried. Be true to yourself, your passions, and your long term goals. But realize there are many paths one can take to achieve one's dreams and ambitions. What may look like setbacks can be the best lessons in life. Take time to get to know the people around you. Work hard and work smart. Remember the people who helped you get this far and pay it forward. Don't worry if you don't get your dream job or get hired at a top firm. You may be surprised to learn that you like working in a smaller firm, or your career may take a different and better path than you ever expected. Life is a journey. Be humble, honest, and willing to learn about new things. Education is a never ending endeavor. See challenges as opportunities and never stop learning. It was my pleasure teaching and mentoring your batch, and I wish all of you every bit of success in everything that you do. Welcome to the rest of your life and keep on creating.